Peeps, boy, I'm kind of speechless right now, but guys, check this. Andy's come up with a creation here that even when I hear about it, I was like, what? Avocado mashed potato? But let me tell you something, I taste it and it is excellent. Guys, we over here in Andy's kitchen, here on Andy's TV, we come up with different stuff. The chef is very creative, always coming up with new things. Some things, when I hear it, I'm like, what? But anyway, our avocado mashed potato with coconut glazed salmon, mwah, very special. Very, very special. Andy's, aka Nadine, my wife, always says, every chef always have to taste their food. So I'm not the chef today, but I'm the taster, aka the guinea pig. No problem. I love to eat, so we don't have no problem with that. So right here we have our mashed potatoes. I have a tiny fork, I don't know why, but that's what I grab. We have the salmon right there. We have our smoked or sauteed veg. Just gonna put that all together. The raw red onions is very good for you. That's what I was made to understand. And we just ensure so that we get everything in line. Wow. The mashed potato tastes like you're eating avocado, like straight. Fresh onions, no dairy, just salt and pepper. Man, this is exquisite. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And leave a comment. I notice you guys don't really leave a lot of comments, but leave a comment and let us know what you think about this, because this was never done before. We've never seen nothing like this on YouTube. Only in Andy's kitchen at or on Andy's TV. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe here in Andy's kitchen. Salmon clean and cut. So peeps, now we want to season our salmon, right? You can add seasoning of your choice, whatever kind of seasonings you like. So we're just adding some Mrs. Dash, some salt, cayenne pepper, just seasonings that we would use to season up our meat. Marinated, let it sit a little, so when we start cooking this salmon, it'll be super tasty.
I'm adding some olive oil, and then I'm gonna bake. You say this is wild caught salmon. This is a fish after it's turned on from the first side, as we put its skin down. Beautiful. See, it's a nice clear mark. We're gonna lightly saute some vegetables, some peppers and onions. And then we're gonna make a nice coconut white sauce. Beautiful. So peeps, this is some coconut oil, a little coconut oil, some Celtic salt and some Scotch bonnet. And I'm gonna incorporate the good coconut cream to make some nice cream sauce for the fish. No dairy, no butter. some garlic, some red and white onions, and some sweet baby bell peppers. We're gonna lightly saute. Smells so good. Simple coconut cream sauce, very nice consistency. The potatoes, I baked them and they weren't hot. They weren't hot. They were cooled down. So we're gonna have some chunks of potatoes, but I'm gonna whisk it as best as possible. See, no cream, no butter, just potatoes and avocado.
Alright peeps, check it out. These are avocado mashed potato served with some pan-seared salmon and a dairy-free sauce and some sauteed multicolored bell peppers and garlic. Guys, I don't know about you, but this looks very scrumptious, very flavorful, very colorful, and also very different. Don't know if you ever had avocado mashed potato before, but if you never have it, I suggest you try it. And in TV, up, and out, and be gone, yam right away.